let's see if this little hack worked. Oh, beautiful. All right, guys, I wanted to show you exactly what to do if, in fact, your Rollo printer is not quite printing correctly. So, for example, see this right here? See how it's, it's just all smudged and it's kind of missing some stuff. Odds are you have some issues with some debris building up. And I actually wanted to show you how I'm halfway through the process. See these? See that little bit coming off right there? That is some adhesive from the back of some of your labels. And so if you get a little bit of alcohol, rubbing alcohol, on a Q-tip, and you just kind of go along here and soak it very, very gently, not a lot, but just enough to sort of release some of that adhesive, and then go along with your fingernail, which is soft enough that it shouldn't actually damage the sensor. You just go along here and scrape it. And in so doing, you should be able to get most of that adhesive off. And then once it's scraped, simply go along with your Q-tip and make sure there's no debris whatsoever left over. Make sure it's good and dry before you go ahead and clamp this back down and then run a few to see if in fact it's working. But basically it's this sensor right here that's all gummed up, and hopefully this video saved you having to go out and buy a whole nother one because you think that there's something wrong with the printer, when in fact you've probably just used it so much and put so much wear and tear on it. Just a little bit of cleaning should do. So that's it. Hope that helps.